You should be cleaning your ColdOne very often. I clean it before and after every use. And your best friend, Star San. Star San is a foaming sanitizer. It's food grade, so you don't have to worry about rinsing it. It's not gonna make you sick. I don't recommend going out and binge drinking Star San, but if you sanitize with it, you can just pour beer and then run it through again when you're done, and you're good to go. You'll probably want to pick up one of these. This is a beer line cleaning pump. It's pretty simple. It's got a coupler fitting on it. So your beer coupler attaches to this, you pump it, and it sends the Star San through the line, which comes out foamy. You can use it on any kegerator or jockey box with a Sankey D coupler, whether it's regular or low profile like this. The coupler on your ColdOne is a 2-stage Sankey D coupler. So twist to attach, push and twist to engage, just like you're tapping your keg on your ColdOne. I've already filled this with Star San. It's simple, just follow the instructions and let's get started. We're gonna pump this, I don't know, 15 times. And then there's a button right here. We're gonna push that, but gotta get my big cup. You know what a big cup is. Everybody's got a big cup. Big cup. Open your faucet. Push your button. Watch. And we're foaming. I mean, honestly, you don't really need to do it for that long because it's a very short line. Simple as that. The line is clean and you're ready to pump your beer or cocktails or whatever you want. And like I said, you do not have to rinse this. You can just tap it and go. So get yourself a beer line cleaning pump and keep it wherever you keep your ColdOne, and keep it clean, okay? Always keep it clean. Foaming. When you're finished, spin that little wheel and it will release the air that you pumped into it, and you can detach your coupler. And then now you can tap your beer or your cocktails. Mine's a beer. Let's tap my beer. This is a lager from Rockford Brewing in Rockford, Michigan. You know how this part works. Big cup. Turn the gas. Gas is on. Beer flowing. Oh, yeah, baby. Man, I love this thing. Proper glassware. That's a good looking beer right there. Oh, fuck yeah. And now I've got beer on tap all fucking weekend, and I don't have to worry about it getting warm. I'm not gonna waste cans. It's fresh. It's so fresh. It hasn't been sitting on a shelf for 10 months like most of your beer. So good. It's probably my favorite thing about the ColdOne is you can get fresh beer from your local brewery. Always fresh. I get the argument of oversaturation when it comes to beer. When it comes to distribution, yeah, of course. Shelf space, sure, I get it. There's some classics that still just sit on shelves, get dusty. But with ColdOne, you can go get fresh beer from your local brewery, 2 gallons at a time. And you're not only supporting your local brewery, you're also getting a fresh, delicious beer. And you don't have to worry about having your kegerator plugged in for 6 months. Cheers.